Hello guys, this is Gabitech. Today I'll present you one product that every YouTuber and every person who wants better acoustics in their house or studio need to have. It's just a must. But before that, I will show you the website that gave me this product that I'll present you now. And I will give you a little bit more information about them and how amazing they are. Let's go. Supersound is a website which offers DJ equipment, disco lasers, LED lighting, and much more innovative products. They consulted me during the long process of me choosing custom solution for my private studio. Special thanks to engineer Kirchev, who is a Supersound partner from acoustics.eu, who gave me the best consultation ever. Thank you very much, Angel, for your consultation and all of your skills and your brilliant ideas. Supersound gives you the easy and custom solution for each one of your questions connected to LED light, studio equipment, and sound insulation. Here you can see the website. We have different languages, Bulgarian and English. When you call them on the phone, the guys are speaking English. There is a person who speaks English, which impressed me extremely much because not many Bulgarian sites have somebody who can speak with the English customers. Here on the sound, we change the language to English. Here you can even change the currency. You can notice leva, euro, or United States dollars, which gives extra comfort to every customer to know that he's not limited only to Bulgarian leva. You can see here that with every product you get up to 3 years of warranty and you have free delivery above 250 leva. Now here in the menu we see the Supersound partners that works together to create this amazing site. The founder of this site is DJ Angel Angelov from Sofia, and Supersound are on the market since 1990, which makes 30 years. This speaks of trust and honesty because these people made my life super easy. They delivered it to my door, they consulted me over the phone, and they didn't want anything in return. I mean, honest people like this are very rare to find. Also, in the website, you can always find some products on very hot sales that it's not that easy to find. For example, the first time I got to see Supersound was when I purchased myself my first acoustic sound absorbing foam from them. It was a couple of months ago when I was doing the basics of my studio. And I got 2 panels or 2 foam layers, and each one of them I cut into pieces and I made my own panel, like I will show you now how I do it also a little bit later. The quality of the sound is 100% improved considering I lived on a very lively boulevard in Sofia. These things here makes the inside sounds amazing, and that's why the quality of my video is high from the very beginning. Okay, we had the DJ equipment, LED products, lighting, speakers, power amplifiers, microphones, public address speakers, musical instruments. Look, they have absolutely everything. I mean, their gamma of products is so wealthy that I don't know what to say. Since they work with so many companies aside, they can provide to the basic customer everything they want. You have LED sound insulation, which is not only, you have acoustic materials, wooden acoustic panels, absorbing panels, acoustic ceiling panels, bass traps and diffusers, which is extremely professional gamma of products suitable for studio, for classrooms, for music halls. Basically every place you can turn into a music beast and sound beast with materials from just this website, Supersound. Of course, we shouldn't forget our acoustics.eu friends, which are actually a team of engineers, architects, and designers that are dealing with acoustic, sound insulation, and vibroisolation. Vibroisolation is something that people are underestimating very much because the vibrations of your machine can give very big impact on the sound overall in the room. As you see here, you have special offer of some sound insulating foams and other home machines. Now I will show the product that I have. It got delivered today. I'm extremely happy. It's 3 pyramidal foam, and here I am drowning in this big sea of pyramidal polyurethane sound absorbing foam provided by Supersound-bg. Thank you very much, guys, again. I'm extremely grateful for all of the stuff that you do for me, and I'm grateful that you believed in me and my channel. Much love for all of you. So this is the product, as you can see. Each one of the pyramids is 4 centimeters long. The height of the panel is 2 meters or 200 centimeters, and the width is 100 centimeters or 1 meter, which makes it very long for example, perfect for ceilings, because you know the ceilings are normally with very big diameters, and we put that foam, exactly this big piece, you can just put it in on the ceiling. Then in my case, I will use scissor and I'll cut each one of these panels into smaller pieces, and one of them I will leave to be big, so I will make my own personal panels. Since I don't want to destroy my walls and I can't use professional glue because the apartment is not mine, I will use polypropylene panels that I purchased from Practicare, and I will glue this foam to them with the help of my amazing Parkside glue gun from Lidl. Here we charge the blue glue. I'm sorry, I have different colors. I already used the white one, which will help us glue this amazing panel into the polypropylene. It's about the foam. Since I will just use a normal scissor, you can suggest that it's super easy to cut. You can put it in any form you desire, because this is a material that is super light and very thin and very soft. It can be cut perfectly in any shape you want. You can even make heart of it. I mean, it doesn't matter. But the specialty about the pyramids is that you have extra surface, because a pyramid form, you know, it has because since it's a pyramid, it has extra surface, and each one of them gives extra surface than if it was just blank acoustic foam without any forms on it. It was just a straight up one. This one is pyramids, and that's why it's better quality. And the pyramid ones are a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but this is still okay. We care about the quality. On the website, I can show you which product exactly I purchased and which product they gave me afterwards. It's one and the same acoustic sound absorbing foam. It's called Pyramidal Absorber 100 on 200 on 4. You can see it has good acoustic performance. It's very easy to apply to any surface. The density is 20 kg. Basically, you can see all of the perimeters here, the technical data, the color. Of course, guys, there are different colors of sound absorbing foam, but I prefer this one since it fits with my gear here, my black chair, my black screens and everything black. Like, the best is this. You know, I would love to have pink, but maybe in future. Guys, I will sneak a peek now. Supersound and acoustics.eu are working on one amazing product, especially for desks, that will help you speak. If, for example, if you work in call center or something like this, it will help you improve the clearness of the sound in front of you, which will be something amazing. I really hope that I will have it also to show it to you guys. Pray for it. Okay, now let's start the work. Turn on the heat gun and game on. Okay, guys, here we have our polypropylene panel, simple glue gun, and scissor. Okay, guys, here is the final result. I glued successfully the foam to the polypropylene panel, and now I can adjust it wherever I want just by using wall adhesives that don't damage the wall, as I did there. Here is my previous panel, the first one that I purchased and I made. I put it behind my desk and my computers for better sound absorbing. And you can notice it's very easy to just put, or even if it's not on the ceilings, you can just put it like this. It would perfectly stay on the walls. It's ergonomic design. It's extremely easy. And before I end this review, I will show you what is the difference with the sound, so you can judge yourself. I shoot my videos here, and now I will say one and the same phrase on the place where it has the acoustic foam and where it hasn't the acoustic foam. Okay. Hello guys, this is Gabitech, and today we will do a review about Supersound sound absorbing acoustic foam. Hello guys, this is Gabitech, and today I will present you Supersound sound absorbing acoustic foam. So guys, after we done the hard work, here is the final result. You can notice that the sound quality is improved to the exquisite level that no other material can give you such a good level at this price range. Like, the pyramids are 4 centimeters, as I said, they absorb perfectly. The sound, you can even notice here when I speak on the microphone how clear and amazing my voice sounds. Thank you very much again from the guys from Supersound-bg and acoustics.eu. You made my life complete with these panels. Thank you very much for everything. Really a lot of love for you that you believed in me. and that you gave me this acoustic panel so I can finish my studio the best proper way. And guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have some dream to make your room or your studio professional, Supersound.bg and acousticforce.io are the guys for you. Thank you very much.